In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this using this. Over time, modern plastic car headlamps can become cloudy. This damage is a result of UV light from the sun. It can lessen the effectiveness of the headlamps and could even be an MOT fail. Replacing the headlamp units can be a costly affair, costing upwards of £70 for each unit. While there are several commercially available headlamp restoration kits out there, they are expensive, and after trying a couple I've found them to be ineffective. The solution I have found is this: Autosol. Autosol is a metal polish that retails for less than £5 a tube. It's fantastic as a metal polish, but it will also clear the cloudiness from your headlamps. After washing the headlights, mask up the paintwork around the headlamp. Autosol is abrasive and it would easily cut through the paint. I'm using a cordless drill with a small polishing mop on. Of course you can do this by hand, but these are particularly badly damaged lights. Simply dot the polish onto the headlamp, dampen the mop and set to work. Keep the drill moving, as too much working in one place can cause a build-up of heat, and that can further damage the plastic lens. Add a spray of water as needed. After a while you'll notice you can see clear patches. This is what remains of the original UV protective coating, and this is usually the cloudiest part, so you need to make sure that you get all this off. This headlamp is so bad I'm resorting to using a very fine grade sanding disc to attack just the stubborn areas. You need to be very careful with this. Again, make sure that you wet the headlamp thoroughly. Then go back in with the Autosol polish. I finally finished the polishing by hand. Wipe off the excess polish and buff to a sheen. I will later go over the headlamps with something to restore some UV protection, but for now this will do. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all my future videos. Thanks for watching.